Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Working It with Miss Webb. So if you guys joined us for our previous video, you guys learned how to build a two-digit number. A two-digit number has a tens place and a ones place. All right, so now we're going to practice our first strategy. Remember, this is a review for my students. So we have already learned this in our current first grade classrooms, and so they are masters at it, but there's no time like the present to practice more, okay? So I'm gonna build an equation, or should I say write an equation, and we're gonna solve it using tens and ones, okay? So we're gonna use the saying 10 more. So I'm gonna build an equation. We're gonna have 0, 1. So we're only gonna change the tens place. So what that means is I'm gonna write two two-digit numbers, and there is only going to be a number in the tens place that's going to change the equation. So the ones place is going to have a 0, meaning you're not going to do anything to the ones place, but bring that 0 over. All right, so let's do the equation. 60 plus 10 equals blank. All right, so the first thing you want to do is always build your first number or your bigger number. So our bigger number is 60, so I'm going to build it. 60 has 6 tens in it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To double check to make sure you have 60, you can recount what you built. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Do we have 6 tens? Yep. Now, in our ones place, we don't have anything, 0. So we're not going to add anything to our ones place, nothing. So now it says plus 10. So now we're going to add 1 tens. All right. And I like to add mine underneath so that I can see the difference, okay? So I always tell my students, build your first number up top and your second number at the bottom. All right, let's count to see if we have enough. So 110, 110. Good job. So now we're going to count by tens to get our answer. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So I know that 60 plus 10 is what? 70. Very good, guys. Now, here's another way. If you are struggling with counting by tens, if your child is struggling with counting by tens, you can always bring over that 0 because you know that we're not doing anything to the ones place, and they can just see that they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. So that made the number 70. All right, so now guys, we're going to do 10 less. Okay, so our next equation is going to be 10 less. So let's try the same equation, but we're going to change that plus sign to a minus sign. So 60 minus 10 equals blank. All right, so just like the last time, we're going to build the first number, okay, the bigger number. Whenever you're taking away, you're always taking away from the bigger number, okay? We can't take 60 from 10, but we can take 10 from 60, okay? So let's build 60. We need 6 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's make sure we have 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Good job, we have 60. Now here's where kids get confused. A lot of times they want to add a 10, but we're not adding, we are taking away. So that's why I love this resource that I made, because it's easy to erase. We're going to get rid of 110. Just like that, it's gone. Let's see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also known as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Good job. So we have the answer, 50. Good job, guys. So I just taught you guys how to add 10 and how to take away 10.